Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the second video in my decluttering series. We're tackling my bedroom. It's gotten really bad, like super bad. So I am going to show you how bad my closet is. My drawers are. I literally can't even open my drawers. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, but it got bad. So let me show you. You literally can't even close the drawers without stuff falling. Down there, same thing. My closet is a hot mess. So we're gonna do the whole thing, and we're actually gonna do my master bathroom too. But this is most definitely gonna take me 2 days. So it's Sunday at 3 o'clock. So we'll see. My goal today is to go through all of my clothes and see what I want to get rid of. So I'm just gonna start emptying drawers, I guess. But let me go show you the closet and show you the state that that's in, because it's not pretty. Okay. Let's show you the closet. What's up, Austin? There's stuff all over the floor. There's things piled all behind there. This, God knows what's in any of there. There's just stuff piled up everywhere. So we will get to this as well as the dresser, but I'm going to start with the dresser.
Give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes.
That's a lot of clothes. That's a lot of stuff, especially that was just in my dresser and not what's even in the closet. Bad. So my plan of attack is to put anything I don't want into a laundry basket and put everything else. Then I'm gonna separate again. I'm gonna put everything in the laundry basket. Then I'm gonna put things I just do not wear into like a donate pile, and then things I may want to keep because I'm going to keep minimal. Like I'm gonna see how much I can, like how little I can possibly work with, and then I'm gonna put the rest up in the attic because I don't want to have to then go out and buy more stuff. So things I'm not sure about, I'm gonna put in a bin and put in the attic and call it a day. So, but I do want to get rid of a lot. So that is my process. The only thing I bought for this project is drawer dividers, because I find like stuff kind of doesn't stay on one side. So I bought some drawer dividers, but other than that, I'm just using everything that I have on hand. So let's get started.
Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
So as I am going through the clothes, I got rid of a bunch of stuff that I just haven't worn. And then I put another pile of things that needed to be like donated, that had stains or a rip or anything like that. And then I also made another bin that I moved up into the attic of things that I may or may not want to keep, like things I haven't really worn, but I wasn't ready to throw them out. And then once, a few months, 3-4 months go by and I go up to the attic and I have not used any of those items, I will then donate all of them. But I did this before, and sometimes I would say, oh, where is this shirt? Or I really need another black shirt or something like that. So this way it keeps me from having to buy new things. And if I need more shirts or more pants, they're up in the attic and all I have to do is go up there and get them.
All your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all.
So I am really loving these drawer organizers, because when I would put things in my drawers, I would separate everything, but then I would take some stuff out and some things would go to the other side and things like that. So these work out really well, and I believe a set of 5 of them I paid right around $20 on Amazon. So I'll have them linked in the description box below, but they really make a difference in helping keep things organized and in their place.
Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the type for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me.
So now we are moving on to the closet. I took out all of the clothes that were in there. I took out all of the shoes. I emptied all of those bins, and I was really able to get rid of a lot of stuff. And as you can see in the corner of my closet there's a ton of hangers already that were not in use. So I organized all of the hangers and I added a ton more to it. So I really don't need to keep all those hangers in there, but they're good. I'll probably leave a couple in there and then move the rest up to the attic. So that way, when I want to buy new things, I cannot, because I won't have any hangers and I'm not going to go to the attic to get some.
I would do anything. I would do anything for you. You know you're everything. You know you're everything to me. Spitting shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do?
I'm thinking of actually getting something different to put in my closet here because it's just kind of, I don't know, it's good to have like all the bins, but it just seems to collect a lot of junk. So I'm gonna look for something different that will maybe keep this better organized, I don't know, or just get rid of more stuff. But like I said, I'm gonna do a part 2 to this video because I'm getting rid of a bunch of stuff here, but then I want to do this again in about 30 days to really purge again and really get down to minimal amounts of clothing and shoes.
With my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about
It's crazy how much I was actually able to donate because a lot of things were in good condition. I had too many things. So I was able to donate this big, huge trash barrel, and I was able to also, let me see, I think I put another big bin up in the attic. So that will most likely go the way of the wind with everything else. So I am so excited, and I'm glad that these items will make it to a women's shelter, that they will be able to use them, and I won't have all of this excess stuff laying around my house.
looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love.
All right, 5 hours later, and the clothes are done. Closet's organized, all my drawers are organized. My room is semi put back together. I managed, because I'm so stubborn and don't want to wait for my husband, to put the 2 huge tubs of clothes that I have up in the attic. They were so heavy, so heavy. I almost fell back 4 times, but I'm calling it quits for tonight. I will finish up decluttering the nightstand, our other nightstand over here in the bathroom tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, so this is how I folded my drawers. I have the drawer organizers in there. There's still too much in here. I am going to go through this again, but these are all of my tops. So all of my tank tops, long sleeve shirts, workout shirts, everything. So everything is in there. And then I just have my sweaters and sweatshirts in here. Again, I just have a divider so it keeps them. And sweaters and workout tops. And here is all of my workout pants and sweatpants and all of my pajamas. And these are all of my clothes in the closet. I have 2 spring jackets. I have my winter coat downstairs, but this is everything. I have just a couple, dress shirts, dresses, and a few tops that I just leave hung up that are a little bit dressier. And then all of my jeans and my pants. So this is actually a few days later. And I haven't finished getting to the bathroom or any of that yet. So I will do that, but there will be a part 2 to this video. It's trying to get so much done before the holidays, and it was just kind of impossible to get it all done. So look out for the second part of this video coming soon. And I will probably, because it's been about a week or so, I'll probably do another sweep through my clothes because I think I can get rid of a lot more. And I'm also gonna go through the bathroom, and then I'll move on to a different room. I'm gonna do the hall closet, I am going to do the kitchen, you name it, it's being done. So Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, and so you don't miss, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.